Lesson 3. Conditional Statements in Python. Hello. Welcome to the IT Platform channel. Today, we have our third lesson, where we will cover one of the foundations of programming, conditional statements. You will learn how Python allows programs to make decisions based on conditions. We will explore basic operators like if, elif, and else, as well as more complex conditions and nested structures. Let's get started. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow you to perform different actions depending on whether certain conditions are met. The basic syntax looks like this. If condition, hash code to execute if the condition is true. Elif another underscore condition, hash code to execute if the other condition is true. Else, hash code to execute if none of the conditions are true. How do conditional statements work? 1. Python evaluates the condition, which is a logical expression that returns true or false. 2. If the condition is true, the block of code under it is executed. 3. If the condition is false, Python moves to the next condition or executes the else block if available. Why do we need conditional statements? 1. Decision making. Conditional statements allow the program to analyze data and choose the appropriate path of execution. Example: if the user enters the correct password, grant access. If a number is positive, perform one action. If negative, perform another. 2. Logic branching. They divide the program flow into multiple paths. Example: if it's raining, take an umbrella. If it's sunny, wear sunglasses. 3. Controlling program flow. They determine which block of code will be executed and which will be skipped. Example: check if the user has access to a file before opening it. Display different messages based on the user's actions. Basic conditional operators in Python. If checks a condition, and if it's true, executes the corresponding block of code. Example: age equals 20. If age greater than equals 18, print, you are an adult. Quote, output, SQL, you are an adult. Else, otherwise, specifies what to do if the if condition is false. Example: age equals 16. If age greater than equals 18, print, you are an adult. Quote, else, print, you are still young. Quote, output, SQL, you are still young. Elif, else if, checks additional conditions if the previous one is false. Example: age equals 15. If age greater than equals 18, print, you are an adult. Quote, elif age greater than equals 13, print, you are a teenager. Quote, else, print, you are a child. Quote, output, CSS, you are a teenager. Practical examples. Example 1. Age verification. Age equals int. Input, enter your age. Quote, if age greater than equals 18, print, you are an adult. Else, print, you are still young. Example 2. Number check. Number equals int. Input, enter a number. Quote, if number greater than 0, print, the number is positive. Elif number less than 0, print, the number is negative. Else, print, the number is 0. Example 3. Choosing an action. Choice equals input. What do you want? Tea, coffee. Quote, if choice equals tea, print, pouring tea. Elif choice equals coffee, print, pouring coffee. Else, print, error, no drink selected. Logical operators. And, or, not, and operator. Returns true if both conditions are true. Example: age equals 20. Has underscore license equals true. If age greater than equals 18 and has underscore license, print, you can drive. Else, print, you cannot drive. Or operator. Returns true if at least one condition is true. Example: day equals Saturday. If day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday. Print: it's a weekend. Quote: else. Print: it's a weekday. Not operator. Inverts the logical value of a condition. Example: is underscore raining equals false. If not is underscore raining. Print: you can go out without an umbrella. Else. Print: take an umbrella. Nested conditions. Sometimes you need to check additional conditions within another condition. Example: age equals int. Input: enter your age. Quote: has underscore license equals input. Do you have a driver's license? Yes, no. Quote: if age greater than equals 18. If has underscore license, lower, equals yes. Print: you can drive. Else. Print: first, get a driver's license. Else. Print: you are too young to drive. Error handling. When working with user input, it's essential to handle incorrect data gracefully. Example: try, number equals int. Input: enter a number. Quote: print: F, you entered the number. Number. Accept value error. Print: error. Please enter a valid number. Practice tasks. 1. Write a program to check O if the user is an adult. O whether a number is positive or negative. 2. Implement a program that O verifies if a day is a weekday or weekend. O checks if a number is even or odd. Conclusion. Today, we learned how conditional statements work in Python. We explored examples with if, elif, and else, and worked with logical operators. These are foundational skills for understanding programming logic. In the next lesson, we'll dive into loops, which will help automate repetitive tasks. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe to the IT Platform channel, and leave a comment. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with new lessons. Thank you for watching.